Okay, so starting in reverse order, we've got the front view area here. We've got the insides here of the actual uh, solar panels, and then the top and bottom to the main piece, the main cockpit. You can see detail is quite exquisite, especially on this piece right here. So plastic's a little heavy, but for a model this big, you kind of want a little thicker plastic. So, and there's some detail on the cockpit wall. And that's actually kind of interesting because that little piece right there is actually on the outside of the little ball, and there's like a hatch of some kind. Okay, next up, the interior cockpit. Kind of a little sphere here. Let's flip it over. So we've got, again, some of the walls going to the side panels. Some other details here. I mean, this is probably one of the better models they've done. I mean, you can see the detail on like these right here. Pretty incredible. Sharp, crisp. Hopefully everything fits really well. Pilot. Leaves a little to be wished for. I mean, it's not bad, but hopefully somebody will come out with a resin pilot. So that's him. Here's some of the interior pieces here. Some small parts, but nothing a youngster can't do. Most sci-fi models are made for younger modelers. There's some more interior. Some of the little hoses, those might be kind of difficult for youngsters, but it's nice that they have that detail there. Again, being a studio model, that's what it's there for. Okay. The clear, which is extremely clear. I mean, there's no type of diffusion or anything. No distortion. Very nice. Probably want to handle these with cotton gloves or something. Keep from getting sticky fingers on them. Okay, the main part of the cockpit ball. You can see some of the detail. Again, it's really sharp and square. It's not real rounded like a lot of the other sci-fi kits are, you know, where they're real soft detail. Scribe detail, which is really nice, so using panel liners would be great. There's the back. There's that little hatch or whatever you want to call it. Again, super sharp detail. Looking pretty good. Okay, and then the panels, I'm not going to show every one of them because they're pretty much the same thing. Giant triangular pieces with these little joiner pieces. You kind of see it's got a texture of it, kind of like a louvered texture here. It's kind of interesting. So, and then these are more of the actual pieces that go between the different panels of the vehicle. So, and then of course the dome has a metal rod. What is kind of nice is the metal rod is actually a tube, so if you want to actually run wires through there for lighting, it's already ready to go. You can actually put your batteries and system right in there, or your electronics, and just have wires or fiber optics going up. So that is about it for our first kit out of the box review, and it is available at Hobby Bench. Just came available maybe a week ago, but promises to be quite the kit. It's not inexpensive at about 90 bucks, but you get a lot of kit for that. So happy modeling, and keep building and keep building.